welcome back to my channel. I'm Rihanna, and today I'm coming with you with a short series of 7 DIYs of Christmas. And basically what I'm going to do is share with you 7 quick DIYs and 7 videos in the final days leading to Christmas. And today's video is video number 1, and I'm showing you a quick little Nutcracker ornament DIY. So basically what I did was just get some unfinished wood nutcrackers that you can either get from Hobby Lobby, you can get from Amazon, or Michael's if your stores are still in stock. So I wanted a metallic feel, I guess, to kind of make them look a little metal, a little vintage. And so I got some Krylon metallic spray paint in 2 different colors and just went to town spray painting these nutcrackers. So once they dried, I brought them inside so that I could add these tiny little fisheye hook to the head where you would put the string in to hang them from the tree. Now, if you have already finished decorating your tree, these would be great gifts, like little favors for anyone that you have coming over for the holiday. So you can think about that as well. You can package this up as a last minute gift, and I think any Christmas lover would love to have. And it's especially special because you've made it. So I just made a hole in the back of his head using a screw. I didn't want to try any drill bits because I didn't want to crack his head, so I wanted to be able to gradually, without too much force or being able to modify the force as I needed to. The hooks, by the way, are from Amazon. And then I just take the little hook and twist it and twist it and twist it until it's tight and firmly set into the nutcracker. Okay, so next I needed to add string to it. So instead of using fishing line this time, I used some ribbon. And if you're going to give them as a gift, you don't have to add any string to it if you don't want to. So you can allow that person to put their own string in, or you can use jute, any type of string or ribbon that you have on hand. I tied a knot in the ribbon and trimmed off the excess tails, and now it can be hung like an ornament. And if you're giving it away as a gift, it's ready to be packaged up for gifting. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this last minute DIY idea. And if you made it this far in the video, please consider liking and commenting and sharing. And until next time, bye.